Hey guys, it's me, Eka, and today I'm here with Droned, and hello! Yes, new account, go subscribe, comment, and like to her channel, and mine, of course, because, yeah, lovely dude, I'm kidding. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be seeing what people will trade for. Drumroll, please. This, Rare Undum, okay. Rare Item Monday. What's it called? Rare Soccer Ball Mask. Looks really cool. I love the colours. Let's see if you can still buy it in the shops. No, you can no longer buy it in the shops. As you can see, nowhere to be seen. Alrighty. Okay, so that's what I have to take like everything off my list so I can just put that on. There we have it. Let's go. Okay, dokie. I'm not going to accept that because I don't think that's worth it. Alright, okay, yeah, still waiting. Okay, I just had someone trade me this. I'm going to see if they're legit. They weren't legit, but someone just gifted me these glasses, so I felt obligated to wear them for this video. They're really nice. I think I have a black pair right here. They're really nice, they look really cool. Yeah, I love them because they're rare too, that's really nice. I actually didn't realise that. They're rare and they look really cool. It's like purple and that has that like really cool effect. Back to the trading temps. Okay guys, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for watching and remember to like, comment and subscribe.